Building an enterprise cloud office system from scratch takes forever: meeting rooms, documents, schedules, expense tracking. What if you had a complete backend management prototype ready to go? Introducing the Cloud Office Backend Management System for Axure RP. 55 pages covering organization structure, meeting rooms, cloud documents, video meetings, schedules, expense center, and data reports, all in high fidelity. Manage departments, members, and roles with ease. Book meeting rooms and track schedules. Organize cloud documents and knowledge spaces. Review expense reports and analyze data with built-in dashboards. Skip months of wireframing. This pixel-perfect prototype aligns your entire team: product managers, designers, and developers all share one source of truth. Ship your enterprise office platform faster. Get the Cloud Office Backend Management System today for just $139. Visit AxureBoutique.com, link in the description.